tests, the referees, just to verify all is done correctly. Referee not quite happy with the position that ZHOU is taking.
Yeah, well, the actual wheelchair itself has to be at a certain angle, doesn't it? Otherwise...
110 degrees to the centre. But the difference is here, we have a left-hander against a right-hander, so we can actually see both athletes almost facing the viewer, facing the referee. Different angle, obviously, if they were both right or both left. Well, there's ZHOU Jingjing and her opponent, Beatrice VIO. These tense moments before the match begins, and in just a few minutes' time we'll have a new Paralympic champion. Just testing the foil on the bib of the masks. And salute to each other, to the referees, and ZHOU enjoying the support from the crowd as she acknowledges them with her foil before the masks go on and business begins.
VIO's philosophy is I can do everything I want to do, and we were talking about that earlier, weren't we? She can.
What a great attitude to have. Now she'll want the gold medal. Can she do that as well? Off to a strong start, and if she's celebrating like this after 1 point, imagine if she makes it the first to 15. And her coach being very vocal. Rightly so. She gets the first 2 points on the board, and this teenager just so fast. What can ZHOU Jingjing bring to this match?
Yeah, absolutely amazing stuff. This really is. The semi-final was amazing, and now 3-0 up straight away. 4-0.
All 4 limbs amputated. The Italian has a 4-1 lead in this category B wheelchair fencing. Such exciting stage of the competition as these athletes battle it out to be crowned Paralympic champion. ZHOU knows what it's like to be on top of that podium.
Well, don't forget that she is competing now against the new épée Paralympic champion here, and she's 5-1 up. Somebody jumped the gun.
Very quick reaction, but sometimes it can be too quick. A warning given to ZHOU. You can just see starting to move before the referee called the start of the match. Some coaching advice coming from VIO's coach. Disallowed, even though the coach clapping, trying to keep his athlete focused.
And brings a point back. 5-2.
Just off target, you could see VIO catching the point of her foil on the leg of ZHOU.
That was like lightning as well. That 3 points now to ZHOU.
You can hear the referee very loudly and clearly now calling the instructions in French, the language of fencing. ZHOU not quite happy with the position of her chair on the platform, it seems, or the position of her leg. The referee just trying to work out exactly what it is that ZHOU is asking. Trailing by 2 points to VIO.
The quick one, she's brought it up to just 1 point. Great fight back there from ZHOU.
ZHOU still not quite happy with the positioning in her chair. VIO leads 5 points to 4 in this gold medal match. You just see the referee pointing to the leg of ZHOU, and the referee maybe not happy with the position. Now the feet must stay on the foot platform. If they are leaving, that could be used as momentum for the point, and that is not allowed. That would be seen as an advantage. You can feel the tension building. VIO had that early lead of 3 points, but now ZHOU starting to fight back, just trailing by that vital 1 point. Still early days in this final match.
Yeah, it gets another point now though, but like you say, it was just that fight back, and it looked like a slightly different match. ZHOU want to slow it down a little bit.
VIO just feeling a little pain. ZHOU apologising, but this is a combat sport. These athletes want to win.
Well, that's lovely to see, isn't it? I mean, ZHOU Jingjing there, this is the Paralympic final, and she was concerned.
ZHOU pulling 1 point back again. Not for long. VIO 7 to ZHOU's 5.
Well, that's going to cost her another point there, because it's 2 yellows, which is a red card, and a point up to VIO. And every point so important here.
The Italian, for the first time this match, goes 4 points up, and those celebrations. She is very pumped for this event.
Absolutely on fire. She's on 10.
Applauding the athlete, pumping the arms. Now it's been so close, and look at that, 10 points to 5. The teenager from Italy, is she on the way to becoming Paralympic champion in her first Paralympic Games? The crowd getting behind both these athletes in this final.
Yeah, angry with herself there, VIO. Well, the coach is doing everything but getting in there with her. He's really pumped as well.
ZHOU just getting 1 back. Still a margin of 4 points separating these two. And VIO just looking to a coach. Should I ask for a review of that? It has to come from the athlete. Only the athlete can request it. But just a little nod from her coach saying yes. I think that was your point. And I'll have to wait and see if the referee will overturn his decision.
Yeah, it is intense, isn't it? You can feel the tension, you really can. Beatrice Italy wants it so badly, and, well, the Olympic Games and Paralympic Games, they create heroes, they really do, and you see a lot of the big champions, of course, go through disappointment, but it's the absolute hunger for it. She's 19 years of age, she wants it so badly. Another point back, though.
Called back to on-guard position. VIO so pumped. Starts to increase her lead back to 4 points. The coach celebrating. It's back up to 5-point lead now for VIO.
Well,
and the Italian.
Well, I was going to say just
form.
2 points now off, and now just got to keep her cool.
Just feeling some discomfort, and ZHOU very apologetically just saying, "Are you okay?" You can hear, "Are you okay?" VIO, I think, just caught with a flick hit behind her mask on the back of the head. That's how far the reach of these athletes. And she's smiling, but I think that's a little sting. The back of the skull not protected by the fencing mask. And the Italian fans getting behind VIO. Could this be a gold medal moment for Italy? Not far away, it seems, but we've seen ZHOU fight back on a couple of occasions now. Nothing is final, but look at that. You could just see the flick of ZHOU went over the top of the mask and flicked down onto the skull of VIO. That looked incredibly painful.
It did, it looked painful, and just needs just a second just to clear her head there, but I'm really impressed with ZHOU Jingjing, because there was genuine apology there. There's nothing that she meant to do. It wasn't intentional.
VIO celebrating as though it's the win, but it does take her to just 1 point away from the gold medal. And if she gets it, I want to see what these celebrations are going to be like. She's the reigning world champion. Is she about to add the title of Paralympic champion to her name?
Well, the coach is waiting for it. I'm sure the Italian fans are as well. Oh, she's done it.
And there we wait for the score to be confirmed. The referee not giving that hit. He's making everybody wait on the edge of their seats. Beatrice VIO leading by 14 points to 7 over ZHOU Jingjing. And there it's still not awarded this tense moment.
Well, everybody's on tender hooks here. We are as well.
And that's 3 hits in a row disallowed for VIO. And there it is. The coach jumps to his feet. VIO's celebrations are just incredible as that performance. The 19-year-old from Venice in Italy just doesn't know what to do with herself. The emotions so raw. She's crowned Paralympic champion at just the age of 19.
Wow.
What emotional moments here in this fencing arena.
Well, yeah, we can hardly speak here either. Absolutely amazing. And ZHOU Jingjing there takes defeat so well as well, and credit, because that just shows what a big champion she is. But Beatrice Italy, absolutely incredible scenes out there. The Italians are just celebrating, and well, her celebration, like you said there, was just amazing, wasn't it? But she's been amazing. I mean, what an amazing semi-final, an amazing final there, and the tears, well, for all to see.
Well, what a special moment here in the Carioca Arena. Gold medalist, new Paralympic champion, Beatrice Italy. Just what an incredible performance, hugging her coach yet again. You could see the emotions from the coach and athlete. This all about a partnership. Beatrice Italy winning 15 points to 7, and hugs from ZHOU Jingjing, her opponent. But look at that, just what this moment means to the young Italian. All 4 limbs, amputee, and now she has just gone and wiped the floor in that final. Just flew through, and the celebrations for the Italians just going wild.
Yeah, well,
there's going to be emotions flowing.
Yeah, well, they are, aren't they? And we're the same here. You know, I think everybody was pulling for it, and big celebrations there. And look at that, amazing stuff there. ZHOU Jingjing.
Oh, wonderful to see. We 2 Paralympic champions hugging. ZHOU Jingjing, now the silver medalist in the foil, but she'll add that to the Paralympic title she won earlier on in the épée. And this lady, well, this woman, it's all about Italy right now, and some very proud supporters and very emotional supporters in the crowd.
Look at everybody on their feet. Everybody celebrates with her.
It's not just the Italians, the Brazilian supporters. I think this lady is just about to, this woman is just about to gain a very large fan base. Beatrice Italy, still a teenager, crowned Paralympic champion in the women's foil event.
And you've got to say, haven't you, how long is she going to be there now at the top? Because they were the very best that she was meeting, and she was above them all, and it was just terrific to see. It was an amazing performance, amazing in the semi-final, amazing in the final, and she's shown what an absolutely incredible woman she is.